Hi guys, hope you're well. I've got a new apprentice and her name is Bo. She is a 8-week and 5-day-old Hungarian Vizsla puppy. Yeah, that's our microphone. You should like it in the microphone. So she came here on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so she's been here for 5 days and she's already taken over our lives. We've been looking for a Hungarian Vizsla puppy for quite a while now. I think we was disappointed missing out on 2 litters last year. And then we found this little beauty who was born on the 1st of March. And we had confirmation that she was coming to us on the 2nd of March. And then we've watched online as she's grown from a little tiny thing to 8 weeks old. And then we had a road trip across France on early Saturday morning and collected her from the breeders. And here she is. So she is the younger sister now of Gracie, who has been absolutely fantastic with her. And likewise, she's been very respectful of Gracie. In fact, just this morning, they was both laid on the floor and she was cleaning Gracie's ears. Like any new puppy, when she eventually came, we had to make sure the house was puppy friendly. So the first thing we did a few weeks ago was secure our boundary by putting up some extra fencing. And we're singing a song. And then I upgraded the lighting around the house because the garden wasn't very well illuminated in the dark, ready for those 4 AM wee stops, which we've had a few already, and she's been really good in the house so far. I think we've had a couple of accidents in 5 days, and like anything with puppy, it's our fault because we've not reacted quick enough, and not the puppy fault. And then just to make the house proper puppy safe, we've made a couple of joinery items inside. Oh dear, oh. The first of which was a gate at the top of the stairs, so we didn't have any unfortunate nighttime incidents with the stairs. I need to go for another sleep. You want to go and play? You don't want to play with a table saw, do you? A bit too noisy that for you. And because I'm slowly renovating the wall behind the camera, it was a great opportunity to sort through the timber and around the workshop to see whether I could actually make the puppy gate out of the material I already had, rather than going and buying some more. Because I needed to use the used pile of timber that was up in the workspace up there, so I could carry on with the rear wall, although it looks like that project might be just on hold for a week or 2 now. So here is the story of making the puppy gate. Okay, so this is my scoop. With the exception of that piece, all this came from a small loft workshop. In fact, some of these 2 pieces, I think, were part of the benches. But there's certainly enough there to build a little gate. I just need to go and work out now how large I need it. £840 by £840. Right, I'll make it £840 then. I think these 6 by, I'm going to cut them straight down the middle. Rails to be £840, and then I need my rails to be £840 minus £700. I'll sneak one out of these. These have got pocket holes in the end. There's a bit, let's a pocket hole them together. 700, make it a bit longer. £610 divided by 2 is 305. £704. Right there then. Well, this, she's got the best wood.
potential to be a bit haughty though. But hanging it on a...
You damn. Lock you up. Set. Thursday. She's going to love that. Not sure it's such a good idea that puppy will just rag it to pieces. I'm trying to make it so we don't have to fix anything to this to keep it closed. And Lynn had this spare, but this is just going to be like a puppy magnet, isn't it? It's going to be swinging off like that. Try to work out if there's a way to fix this to the gate so we can just hook it over. I'm sure there is. I'll put a post on it. Just don't want to spoil the staircase. Bearing in mind this is only probably going to be on a few weeks. I don't want to drill holes in the staircase and the newel post, so I'm just trying to find a way. Ooh, hey, that might be it. That might be it there on that newel post. And a hook on there. And that is out of the way of little puppy teeth. Okay, maybe that's the idea. Okay, so I could do that. That's there, that goes on there. Just need to put something on the back of the gate then, and that rope can go round. That's easy done. I just want to put a top on this now, but it's 2B1 on the top, just to finish it off really. Perfect. What do you think to this then? Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll be seeing much more of Bo on this channel. Hopefully she'll be a little bit more subdued than what she presently is, although she does seem to like my work gloves.